I'm Dora, I'm from London and I'm doing the 200-hour Ashtanga Vinyasa course. So I think what's challenging is the preparation that goes into each Vinyasa class. You've got to do so much to prepare for each class. You've got to think of a theme, think of the poses that go with it. But what's really great here is they teach you all the skills that you need to get there, and it's actually way easier as a result than I thought it would be to create a Vinyasa class. Miss most, probably the location and the weather. I am from the UK and right now it's the depths of winter there. So I think I'll just miss the beach, the sunshine, yeah, the nature that we're in, as well as everything else. I mean, there's so many moments. Yeah, I've created some really great friends here. Everyone's so lovely, really easy to get along with. Everyone opens up so much. At the end of one of our classes, we just decided to record a really silly dance routine all together, which was just a really fun way to connect, and we just had a laugh together, which was really lovely. This has definitely deepened my understanding of yoga philosophy and the practice. I was coming from a very, very low base, especially with yoga philosophy, so I've learned a lot about that as well. And then the practice, just the hands-on adjustments they give you, you just really get to understand the poses. Even something as simple as like downward facing dog, you can improve so much in your form in that pose, which is great. The teachers are so knowledgeable that any question you throw at them, they seem to have an answer for, which is brilliant. They've also all got their own individual style, which is really nice to see. Yeah, so there's just so much you can learn, and especially when they give you the classes, like when they're teaching you Vinyasa, you just learn so much about how to create your own classes as well. Come join. Yeah, even if you don't want to become a yoga teacher, it's an amazing place to learn, and you'll get something amazing out of it. So it's definitely worth just signing up and seeing what it's like here.